Today, I'm deep in the jungles of Cambodia's hill country, spending the day with rescued elephants at the Mondulkiri Project, which is the first elephant sanctuary in Cambodia that has pioneered change in the way elephants are treated. Join me as I experience this incredible place and get up close with these gentle giants. Tucked away in Cambodia's eastern hill country, Mondulkiri is a little-known hidden gem. Lush, peaceful, and worlds apart from the popular cities such as Siem Reap and Phnom Penh. It's here in these rolling hills and dense forests that 3 rescued elephants now get to live and roam freely, just as they were meant to. In this video, we will meet all 3 elephants and I'll tell you their stories. So we're currently walking down to go find and meet the elephants. Got our bananas. There's quite a bit of people here. The elephants are gonna have a big dessert today. Okay, so we have to leave half of our bananas right here. I don't know why, but it's probably because they can't eat too many. It's like sugar to them. I think these are elephant poop. Yep, that's definitely elephant poop. And here we are, we found the first elephant. Give him one. This first elephant is named Happy. For nearly 10 years, she was forced to work in the jungle, hauling heavy loads of mahogany and teak wood under harsh conditions. Most logging in Cambodia is illegal and requires special permission, so she was forced to work throughout the night to avoid detection. This grueling labor left Happy with a broken shoulder and deep scars on her back. Over time, her health began to decline. When the Mondulkiri Project learned of her condition, they set out to find her. After a difficult week-long trek in the jungle, they brought her back to this sanctuary, where she is free from burdens and she could finally begin to heal. Today, she is 45 years old and very healthy. Just like her name, she is happy. Alright, let's go find more elephants. Oh my goodness, there's an elephant crossing the river. The second and third elephants are close friends and almost always sticks together. This first one is named Convin. Ooh. I guess she only wants sugarcane right now. She was born in the village, and at an early age she was moved to a zoo where she was chained and confined to a small space for nearly 10 years. Her diet was very limited and she lived in isolation far from companionship of other elephants. When the Mondulkiri Project learned of her situation, they purchased her from the owner and brought her to this sanctuary. The journey here was 200 kilometers and took over 3 months with a few men accompanying her the whole way. Now she is free to roam the jungle and is healthy and thriving. This third elephant is named Frances. For 15 years, she was used for elephant rides, carrying multiple people on her back day after day. She was pushed past her limits and grew weak over time. One day, her legs gave out and she collapsed, hitting a tree and lost sight in her left eye. In addition to this pain, her tail was also cut off and sold for use as traditional medicine. The Mondulkiri Project learned of Frances's story and rescued her in 2013. She is a little more aggressive than the other 2, as she still has PTSD from her tail being chopped, but she is now 81 years old and is strong and healthy as well. After a morning of feeding the elephants, it was time for us to eat. We headed back up for a delicious lunch of local Khmer food. Wow, this is hot. Coffee.
Ah non, moi j'aime pas le café avec du concentré, j'adore. C'est sucré, ça. Une grosse partie par rapport à cette Ok, d'accord. C'était ici, sur ça.
Alright, we're currently headed down to a nearby waterfall and river. where we're gonna bathe and swim around with the elephants, cool down from the hot day. So unfortunately, the elephants will not be joining us at the swimming hole. Apparently they already took a bath before we got here at this river. And he is going to go look for more food now. As if he hasn't been eating all day or something. So, see you later. Looks like someone decided to follow us. As I was talking with our guide, Francis and Kanbin showed up and decided to join us for a swim. So look who decided to show up. Banana over his ear. Trying to get it. After a beautiful day with the elephants, I asked our guide if he had anything to say to you as the audience watching.
I'm very happy is the people watching this movie and see this project. I'm very happy if they come to in this project. I'm so welcome to my project and very welcome to Cambodia. Thank you for watching this.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out some of our other adventures. I'll see you soon.